So have you ever wondered how you could remove image background without using Photoshop, without any prior knowledge of Photoshop? Well, this is your lucky day. Welcome to this amazing video as we'll be showing us how to remove image background with your presentation software, which is PowerPoint. So it's actually very easy and it's something anybody can do. So what you just need to do is to import your image to your PowerPoint already, and you can now go ahead to remove the background as needed. So a whole lot of time people are constrained by their knowledge of Photoshop or how to use some other kind of apps. So you can do it yourself. So if you notice, all these images tend to look as if they are transparent or they kind of blend with the background. But let us just do something here. I'm going to change the background color of this image. Right click and click on format background. Then I'm going to change the color to something else. All right, so this is the background color now and it has changed. All right, so let me just make it thematic and select WhatsApp. I'm going to be removing the background color of this particular image here. Is that all right? So what you need to do is to double click on the image you want to remove the background color from, and you can now go ahead to notice that a whole new menu items comes here. All right, so we're about to format this particular image. Is okay? So just head straight to where you have remove background. All right, so once you click it, it should bring up this for you. All right, so the area highlighted as pink, or if that is a color, is the area that the background is going to be removed. So once you go ahead to click on keep changes, notice what happens. So it removes all the background of everything that has been marked, but that is not actually what we want to achieve. Okay, we want to streamline our background removal to suit our needs. So I'm just going to resize this image a little bit up. All right, if you notice, this particular image kind of have something that look like a shadow. All right, so I'm going to resize it. Then you click on what mark areas to keep. All right, so part of these marked areas I actually won't need them. I want to keep them, so you just click on them, all right, accordingly until they are marked. All right, so clicking on them sometimes will not work, so you have to just click and drag a little, right? So it's very easy. I'm just going to do that, and within some few minutes you should be done. Is all right? So the outer part of it, I'm going to also click and drag until I am done.
Is all right? So clicking the outer parts. All right, so
if you notice, it's kind of smart to actually notice that there's something there. Okay, so no much clicking of button, and before you know it, you are done. So if you want to get more content like this, if you want to learn how to promote your business online, do well to support our channel by hitting the subscribe button right away. Also turn on your notifications because we'll be posting content once in a while. So as a business owner, this is actually a very important skill for you to learn. Is all right? You don't have to give away job at all time, you know, to get things done. There are some things you can do yourself. Okay, so how about you adding graphic designer to your title or background remover to your title? Okay, so once we've done it like this, you notice that everything has come out neat. Then you now click on what keep changes, and you notice that your background has been removed. Is all right? Let me just duplicate this.
okay.
All right, so from what we have here to this. Is all right? So now you can remove the background of your image at any time. You can also decide to remove this background. Is all right? Hope you got value in this video. Do well to support us by smashing that subscribe button. Also like and share this video. Keep on winning, guys. Peace out.